Happy Sunday and welcome back to my channel. This week we're going to be working on another outdoor project and we're going to be adding to the look of our outdoor space. This is going to be a project that I have been kind of just ignoring for a long time now, and it's something that's been getting progressively worse and worse and just not very nice looking. So we're going to be addressing our driveway this week, and in particular there is a path down the center of our driveway that is dirt that used to be really pretty rocks that we're going to be fixing, because over time, from rain, storms, walking on it, driving on it, all of that, it's kind of just gotten really messy. Rocks have been pushed out of the way, washed away. After a while, I kind of just got tired of cleaning up after the messy rocks and just let them be. And so now we really don't have very many rocks there at all. It's just kind of a dirt path, which doesn't look very nice. And it also doesn't really do much for drainage and helping keep the driveway free of like excess rain and keep it protected like that. So today we're going to go through and we're going to actually fix it properly. And we're going to do this once and hopefully be done and not have to do it again. We're going to be removing all of the rocks that are currently left there and swapping them out for a new color. We're going to be cleaning the area up, evening it out, and then we're going to be actually gluing the rocks in place with a rock glue that I've been researching and looking at online. And so we're going to be giving it a try today and see how it holds up, and hopefully it will hold all of our rocks in place so that we don't have to do this another time. So if you're interested in making over my driveway with me and doing a really quick, easy update that makes a huge difference on your space, then make sure to stick around and watch this video, and we are going to get right into it. I started off by going through and removing any old rocks, seed pods, leaves, all that kind of stuff. Most of the old rocks are completely gone at this point, so that made my job a little easier. I also raked up all the weeds and grass that had decided to grow in the area so that we can level out the ground and give us a nice fresh space to start off with.
Let's go to side. Let's stay home and play. I got so many funny games we could do today.
The edges were definitely the worst part. Those are the first to thin out since that's where everything gets pushed out to when it rains. After I got all the weeds removed and the ground was as flat as I could get it, I started pouring the rocks down into the space. I just worked section by section, adding rock where it was low and raking everything back into place so it looked even again. It wasn't super complicated. It was just about making sure that the area was covered and looked the way that I wanted it to before we set it all in place with the glue.
Make this long night last. And I love to play this case with you. A little set our players says strictly true. I know the hours of the week we'll be playing hide and seek, knowing in the end I'll find you. We will do it all again. I'll be counting out to 10, thinking that I cannot see you. And look at the rain, and that's so enticing.
Once we got it all filled in, it already looked so much better. The space was brighter, neater, and just made the house look so much more put together. It actually looked finished again instead of worn down. I ended up using white marble rock, which I think looked really nice with the house coloring, but also matched our neighbor's rocks really well, and just kind of made the driveway look more balanced. So that's usually where I would stop, but that's also why it never ends up lasting. Now that it's all in place, we're gonna lock it in with the Shabebe Rock Glue. So to get this ready, all I had to do was pour it into a pump sprayer and mix it up. I followed the directions and did 1 part of glue to a half a part of water, and this gives you a stronger hold. It is important to put the water in first though, that way your glue can mix and doesn't get stuck to the bottom of the container. And then you just mix it or shake it up and spray it over your rocks. It was super easy. And this is just a liquid that you spray over the surface, and it's meant to settle down between the rocks and help hold that top layer together. It's not sealing anything off or changing the look. It sprays on really nicely. The process is kind of like watering plants. It still drains and looks the same, but it's meant to cut down on how much everything shifts.
When you get to play the cake.
I really like that it goes on a little cloudy at first, so you can see where you've already covered. This definitely helped me a lot. I kept it pretty light and let it soak in instead of trying to coat everything all at once. And then I went and raked it all so that I could get different parts of the rocks on the top and sprayed it with a second coat to make sure that it had a little bit of a stronger hold. You can already see it settle down into the gaps as you spray instead of just sitting on top, which made me feel like it was doing something more than just coating the surface. Once I got it all covered, I let this sit for a couple of days to fully cure, and then I went back in with 1 more coat to make sure everything was covered really well. After it dried, the rocks looked exactly the same, but they felt so different. Before, everything would shift under your feet, especially in the thinner spots. Now it's more stable, still loose enough to look natural, but not constantly moving around. You can walk on it, touch it, leaf blow it, all that kind of stuff, and the rocks stay where they're supposed to. Visually, it doesn't really change, which I like. It just looks cleaner because everything is staying where it's supposed to be instead of slowly spreading out. It definitely did the job of locking the rocks in place and fixing the problem of having to always replace them or clean them up, so I'm really happy about that. The glue isn't about making it permanent or perfect. I know I'll have to touch up the glue every year or so to keep it fresh, but it really helps in keeping it from needing constant attention. The Shabebe Rock Glue was super easy to apply and actually made it all hold together really well. We've gotten a good bit of rain recently and it's still holding up nicely, so I'm really excited to see how it lasts over time. Alright guys, well that wraps up this week's video. I hope that you enjoyed fixing up my driveway with me. I think it turned out so well, and the rock glue just makes everything so much easier and just holds it all in place really well so that I don't have to worry about it washing away over time or getting pushed out of the way, that sort of thing. We can use the area normally and not have to be gentle or cautious around the rocks because they're all going to be exactly where we want them to be. So if you are interested in checking out the Shabebe Rock Glue, then I will make sure to link it below for you guys. And if you enjoyed this week's video, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see more of my videos. I put out new content every Sunday. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you on Sunday.
Oh, oh, oh.